Hey guys, welcome back to Gamer Cooking. Today I'll show you how to make some delicious cheesy garlic bread with 4 ingredients. Preheat the oven to 400. So mince 3 cloves of garlic. So heat a pan over medium-high heat. Melt some butter in there. Then add in the garlic. And then stir that up. It only takes about a minute for it to get brown and crispy, so don't burn it. So then cut a baguette in half, lengthwise. Then you can cut the bread into smaller pieces. I like making diagonal cuts because it just looks fancy. So then get the butter and garlic mixture and drizzle a bit over the bread. Spread it out, get the flavor along the bread. So then sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. So now you put the bread in the oven and bake for 7 minutes. Alright, so let's get this reviewed. This is the garlic bread.
The texture of the bread, the homemade bread, is really nice. Really well baked. The garlic is toasty. I can certainly taste it. And great choice on the cheese. Parmesan cheese.
Yeah.
Of our own. I think you did a great job, kid.
This was a successful recipe. I hope you try it out. And there will be more cooking videos, so stick around.